We're in. Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. Now, this is essentially going to be my first proper drive of this car in its updated form, running near on within a couple of horsepower of 500 brake, which has been my goal for this car. Of course, now with the AEM water meth kit fitted by the guys here at QST. I've literally just finished filming the main installation video and now I'm on my way home, therefore the first drive. So without further hesitation, let's get this thing started, get everything sorted, and then we'll hit the road for the very first time in what is going to be my 500 brake M140i. So here we are, rolling out. Seems to be my second home these days. Now, obviously, the meth tank is currently full, and like we said in the main part of this video, well, the previous video, shall I say, the installation video, that the car is not meth dependent, so it does not matter if I've got the AEM kit unplugged, because it just means that it'll be running less power. Now, for those of you who missed the initial video, this car dyno'd at 495 brake horsepower, which is solid numbers which I'm very, very happy about, albeit not my my goal really. My goal was something beginning with 5, but it is what it is. Maybe somewhere down the line we will get something over that. I was a little bit unsure about going bigger turbo, and that would obviously be far beyond 500 brake, more towards 600. Maybe that is something which I'm now actually going to have to consider. But either way, I'm over the moon, cannot wait to see what this thing is like, because it's still running a bit of a chunk over what it was when I last drove the car, so that will be interesting. And also we've got a fun drive home. I don't really tend to film in the evenings, but tonight we are. Maybe we'll make use of getting some flames pouring out the back and whatnot, but we'll head to some nice roads and have some fun. Bloody hell. Yeah, it's quicker. It's definitely quicker. The mid-range just seems so much more pinpoint. Now, I think torque from memory is up 20 or 30 Newton meters. So well into the 600s. Yeah, it's strong numbers, really is. To think back that this car was once running 340 brake as a standard car a long old time ago. Well, actually not that long, just over a year. It's been one hell of a journey. One hell of a journey. What a car. It's ridiculously quick now. Ridiculously quick. Oh, mate. Let's see if we can do a little standing start. Not a launch control, because we all know how that went. Just a standing start. Lots of spinning. Oh, bloody hell. Fuel reserve. Yeah, that was expected. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I mean, the car was quick before, very quick, 480 brake horsepower, 640 Newton meters of torque, I think it was. Now running a smidge more with the Meth, 495 with 660 Newton meters. Now, this car, Alex told me, I don't know if we were recording at the time, but it was very, it wasn't very, how do I explain it? It wasn't very consistent with the numbers that it was putting out, especially with the torque. What's going on here then? What is going on here? Well, I guess I'm gonna have to let you go, mate. Anyway, yeah, it wasn't very consistent with the power that it was putting out. It was making good power. Oh, okay, you're stopping now. What? Put your hazards on and then still want to move. Yeah, nice one, mate. Okay, I think we're past all that. So yeah, it wasn't very consistent with the power that it was making. Don't really know why, but it was still making good power. It was just kind of fluctuating quite a lot. So on average, generally, that was the best result that we had. It sounds so good. I love this car. Now, for those of you wondering, no, I am not done. I've still got some bits which I want to do to this car. New exhaust, maybe a new induction kit, and maybe a turbo. Maybe an upgraded fuel pump as well. I don't know, really. I don't know, but there's still stuff which I want to do to this car. I'm still absolutely loving it. It's an unbelievable car for this price point, and I've said that in videos before, but it's only when you get back behind the wheel. I mean, I had a hire car for the last couple of days, like a 1 litre Corsa, so getting from that into this, it's a bit of a difference. A bit of a difference. But I absolutely adore this car. It's been one hell of a journey, and even though we didn't quite hit the numbers we wanted, it's still an achievement for me. I'm still over the moon, hugely thankful to the guys over at QST, and actually, in fact, every company which I've worked with this car. The journey's not over, but just nice to take a bit of time just to kind of remember well, the journey of this car, really. It's been awesome fun, and I hope that you guys have well, enjoyed following it all. It kind of sounds like I'm getting rid of it now. I'm not getting rid of it. It kind of sounded a bit like that. Bit of a tick off the list, shall you say, even though it may be a little very small tick because we're not quite there. But yeah, epic car, huge fun, and yeah, great to have it kind of where I want it to be. But anyway, folks, I think that is going to wrap things up. It's getting dark. I don't normally film videos in the evening, but we're left with no choice, really, to be fair. I need to get home and get this video edited and uploaded ASAP because, I mean, it's long overdue. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please do make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe for all the adventures still to come.